The Pot of Gold is a comedy written by the ancient Roman playwright Plautus. The play centers around the themes of greed, deception, and the consequences of covetousness. It tells the story of a miserly old man, Euclio, and the chaos that ensues when he finds a pot of gold. The story begins when Euclio, a poor but exceedingly greedy man, living in a modest house, one day he stumbles upon a pot of gold that he believes was hidden by a mysterious stranger. He becomes paranoid and obsessively protective of the gold, hiding it away in his house and keeping its existence a secret from everyone around him. Euclio's greed grows stronger as he imagines people plotting to steal his treasure. He becomes so consumed by his fear of losing the gold that he refuses to share it with anyone, not even to improve his own life. Euclio's daughter, Phaedria, is central to the plot. As she is being courted by a young man named Lyconidas, Lyconidas is in love with Phaedria, but Euclio is hesitant to approve of the marriage, not only because he is overly concerned about his gold, but also because he wants to keep his daughter's marriage plans under his control. As the play progresses, Euclio becomes increasingly upset as he believes that people are conspiring to marry off his daughter for the gold, or worse, to take it from him. The plot thickens when it is revealed that Phaedria is pregnant by Lyconidas, though Euclio is unaware of this. Lyconidas, driven by his love for Phaedria, seeks to marry her and in doing so tries to persuade Euclio. However, Euclio's greed and paranoia prevent him from seeing the truth about the young couple's intentions, as he is still fixated on protecting the gold. At the same time, a series of comical events take place involving other characters, including a clever and resourceful slave, Strobylus, and a number of other minor figures who add to the chaos surrounding the gold. Strobylus, in particular, serves as a comedy character who, in his attempts to help his master Lyconidas, becomes involved in the misunderstanding over the gold. Eventually, the truth about Phaedria's pregnancy comes to light. Euclio, still blinded by his greed, refuses to accept the situation, even though his daughter's pregnancy and Lyconidas' genuine love for her become more apparent. In the end, however, the gold is revealed to be of no real value, and the treasure that Euclio has been so obsessed with turns out to be less important than the happiness of his daughter and her marriage, Lyconidas. The play concludes with a resolution that allows for a marriage between Phaedria and Lyconidas, but the gold is ultimately abandoned, showing the futility of Euclio's obsession with wealth. Euclio's greed is exposed as a source of comic conflict, and his obsession with the gold is what ultimately causes him to miss out on the true value of family and relationship.